Good day everyone! So for today's video, magre-register tayo dito sa GoTem Bank. So first, punta muna tayo dito sa ating Google Play Store. So punta tayo dito sa ating Google Play Store. So isi-search na lang po natin si GoTem Bank. So ito si GoTem Bank, parang GCash lang din to siya. Ayan, so search natin. So may lalabas dyan. So ito po yung application na to, si GoTem Bank. So ayan, makikita natin dito mayroon na siyang 4.3 ratings and reviews. As you can see, makikita natin dito okay naman siya. Ito siya ay easy lang naman siyang gamitin. So for now, na-download ko na yung application na ito, which is i-open na lang natin. So after natin ma-open, so ito na nga po yung makikita natin dito, si GoTem Bank. So ayan, so as you can see, allow lamang natin ito. So dahil magla-login, pagre-register pa lang tayo dito, so we have a choices, open an account or login. Kung meron na kayong account dito sa application na to, so ila-login nyo na lang. So as of now, so magsa-start pa lang tayo, let's open an account. After natin ma-open yung account, so meron ditong nakalagay na tap an account you need to be. So meron ditong 18 years old above. So dapat dito meron tayong valid ID, merong home address via so Philippines lamang to siya. Be in a well-lit location to take a selfie. So for now, dito sa baba may nakikita tayo ditong terms and condition, privacy policy. So i-check lamang natin itong naka-red, naka-circle, and then let's start. So after that, meron dito select your citizenship. So meron siya dito available, I think all over the world to si GoTem Bank. So which is Philippines naman tayo. So tap lang natin yung Philippines and then tap natin yung next. After that, so maglalagay tayo dito ng ating Philippine mobile number. So ipopost ko lang ito at maglalagay na ako ng Philippine number and I will wait the OTP para makapag-register. Na lang natin within 25 seconds yung ating OTP. Ayan, nagde-direct po yung OTP natin. So, wait na lang to register. So, ayan, nalagay na natin yung ating OTP. And now, kailangan na naman natin maglagay dito ng Google account or Gmail address. So, ayan, na-verify na po ang ating Google account. So, now, let's tap the continue. So this time, meron siya ditong get an existing news and updates. Would you like us to inform about the features, offers, discount, and promos? So, pwede mo siya ditong maglagay, you can output sa yes or maybe later. So, we'll check the maybe later. So, time to take a selfie. So, kailangan natin ditong mag-take ng selfie para tayo ay makapag-proceed to register. So, meron siya ditong find a good lighting. Alright, so stay till no need to smile. Alright, magte-take lang ako ng selfie. So, waiting na lang natin, nag-a-upload yung encrypted 3D face scan. So, wait na lang natin. So, medyo mabagal siya. So, be patient na lang. So, selfie verified scan. So, now, magbe-verify naman tayo dito ng ating valid ID. So, click natin tong next. All info must be readable. Make sure that is the whole ID. So, click natin yung next. And let's follow the instruction, which is dito except for PH passport, the front and the back of all IDs must be scanned. So, scan ID lang tayo dito and meron ditong multiple choices regarding sa gagamitin natin. Na yung available dito, yan na ID is yung Phil ID, driver's license, and UMID or modified, and postal ID, Verters ID. So, ayan, meron sila dito yung SSS. So, now, as usual, Philippine passport yung gagamitin natin, and just wait na lang. So, uploading na po yung ating Philippine passport ID. Waiting na lang tayo na i-approve. Alright, so meron na siya dito nakalagay. Ayan, approve na yung ating passport. So yes, that's correct. And meron siya ditong enter your place of birth. And, so syempre, country of the Philippines. Click lang natin tong next and we will wait Ayan. So, after that, meron siya ditong sinabi na enter your home address, which is yung country, house, unit number, and address ng barangay and province. So, tapan nyo lang yan to proceed na makapag-register. And then, click lang natin tong next. So, ayan, meron siya ditong nakalagay ng select the industry you work in below. So, ano ba yung pwede mong ilagay dito? So, meron ako ditong ilalagay na overseas foreign workers and click natin tong next. And then, ayan. So, domestic helper and click next. Select your main source of income, business, donation, government aid. So, ayan, meron siya dito. So, lagay na lang natin tong salary. And then, click natin tong next and please wait yung nakalagay dito, which is so Philippines naman tayo. Confirm your tax residency. So, it's Philippines. Click next. Tax declaration. Confirm. And so, meron siya ditong sinabi na username. So, kailangan natin maglagay dito ng username. So, click lang yung, okay. So, it's too short daw. So, kailangan dito 8 to 32 characters. Start with a letter, not include any special character. So, yun. Click natin yung next. Alright, so dito, after that, kailangan natin mag-set ng passcode. So, set your passcode. You'll use this to log in the app. Your passcode can't be your birth date in numerical order or made up of the same number. So, ayan, maglalagay lang ako dito at ipopost ko lang. So, ayun, wait na lang natin na i-confirm yung passcode. So, ayan, your passcode has been set. You'll use this to log in the app and kiosks. Don't share this passcode. Wait to anyone. So, Garrett na lang. So, please wait. So, magwe-wait na lang tayo dito. Ayan. So, meron siya dito, your GoTeam account comes with Go Rewards. So, earn Go Rewards with points anywhere and the points. Ayan, got it. Your account is ready to go. So, log in now to start banking. So, ayan, magla-log in lamang tayo dito. Alright. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, meron siya dito nakalagay na enter the code you got from a friend and or a bank ambassador. So, wala naman akong naka-refer dito na friend. So, ang ilalagay ko dito is I don't have a referral code. So, meron siya dito, are you sure you don't have a referral code? So, ayan, I don't have a referral code. Kasi wala naman akong So, this is, ito yung itsura ng GoTeam Bank. So, ay nakapag-register na tayo dito and so, after that, i-explore na lang natin tong application na to. So, let's check our profile. After, so, ayan, meron siya dito nakalagay yung, i-check natin yung limits. So, meron siya dito kapag nag-deposit tayo sa in-store, which is 20,000 yung pre-transactions. Kung nakalink naman tayo sa China Bank or CBC Bank, it's 50,000. Union Bank, 50,000 per transaction and 100,000 per day transaction. From BPI naman, 50,000 and 50,000 din yung you can adjust your limit via by BPI. So, ayan, pwede kayo dito within any bank. So, yun. Explore nyo lang yung application na ito. So, para lang din siyang GCash. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa ating GoTeam Bank registration. So, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video tutorial for today. Bye!